In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to link your online store, how to link your online website to your Google AdSense account, because I know if you're watching this video, you need to link your store or your website to your AdSense account so that you can make even more money in ads. You probably just got monetized on YouTube, and this is the first step so that you can make more money in ads, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is about to be a banger. Woo! In today's video, as you can see from the title, we are going over how to connect your Google AdSense account to an online store. And in today's video, we are going over how to connect it to Shopify, because I know that Shopify is a mainly used online site. And guys, if you are a YouTuber and you don't have an online store and you don't know what to do to get monetized, to make more money on ads, don't worry, I will go over it at the end of this video. So once you get monetized on YouTube, you will see a screen such as this right here, guys. Your AdSense account, you're gonna have to verify all your information, but I'm pretty sure you know all of that because you're watching me trying to link your website to your AdSense account. Once you get on your AdSense website, once you log into your account, guys, you will pretty much see your home page, and on your home page is where you are going to add in this site. But guys, before I get into this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so this video can get pushed out to many others. This is Black Investors Group, where we do make investing easy. We do post daily tips on investments, guys, how to make money in crypto, how to make passive income, and even how to start up a trucking business. Check out the links in the description, guys, but we do have a Patreon, and we do also accept coaching calls, so you can reach out to me for a 10 to 30 minute conversation and the Calendly link in the description. And guys, we also do have many other ebooks that'll help you with any niche you need: how to build your online business, how to market your online business, how to market your Instagram profile so that you can get a more fan base, and so much more in the links in the description, guys. Don't forget to check out that Lotta ebook store. Don't forget to check out the Patreon for exclusive investing tips. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So let's get right into this video on how to link your online store to your Google AdSense account so that you can start making more money on Google. So guys, let's hop right into the desktop, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to connect this store to your Google AdSense account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is hop over to the Google AdSense account, and you'll see AdSense for YouTube up here, guys. Pretty self-explanatory. Make sure that you have the right account logged in. And I do know for sure that when I was trying to get my account monetized and verified, they said that my business documents, the name on my business documents didn't match my account name. And that reason was because I had my middle initial in my business documents and not on my Google AdSense account. So I had to change that, guys. So make sure your names exactly match whatever documents you send them for verification and on your Google AdSense account. But back to it. Make sure you're logged in, guys. And the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, go to the home page, and you will see these 3 tabs right here. After you do your payment confirmations, this will be green, guys. Just put in your payment info after you fill out your tax information and all of that. And then the next thing you will see is, explore how your ads look on your site. But first, guys, we have to go right here and connect your site to AdSense. So let's go to Let's Go, and then we're going to go to Connect Site. Now, what you will see is these codes right here, your AdSense code, and then you will see another AdSense code right here. So we're going to be using this first one today. And as you can see, guys, it says copy and paste this code between the head and the head of each tag on each page of your website, guys. So what that just means is that you want to go to your Shopify store, and you want to go over here to where you see online store. You want to go to online store right here, guys, and over here where you see customize, Go on your Shopify website. What you want to do is simply open up your Shopify tab or whatever website you use. This doesn't necessarily have to be for Shopify, guys. This is just for demonstration purposes. But if you are using Shopify, you know, here it goes right here. So you open up your Shopify tab. You will go to online store in this tab right here. Once you are at this tab, you will see this menu button next to customize. And once you see this button, guys, all you have to do is go right here to edit code on this menu button. And once you edit your code, guys, you will see a bunch of different codes on your Shopify website. You will see this, you will see this, and all different pages. Everything that has to do with your website is gonna be under this code, because essentially websites is nothing but coding. So guys, you are now a IT master. You are now going to be coding this website. And now guys, you're going to be coding this website, and now you can say that you've coded before. Short and simple, guys. What you want to do is you pretty much want to inlay this code on whichever area you see fits. But the main area that I want to go to today is where you see... The main area that I want to go to is these top tabs right here where you see password period liquid, and now you see this head. You see the head right here, guys. And what you want to do is you just simply want to go back to your AdSense account, guys. You just want to copy this, copy button, boom, right here. And then right here besides head, you just want to space bar, and then you want to Command V, paste that thing right in there, guys. And now you just have to save. And now guys, you have a ad on that page of your website, and however many pages, however many times you paste this code is however many times a ad is gonna pop up. And that's as simple as it gets right there, guys. So you just want to just browse through all of these codes on your website. So we go to the page icons page, guys, where we have pages, and I already added all the ones that I needed on this website, so I'm not gonna add any more. But guys, all you would do, if you see where you want this, I suggest putting it in between the brackets, putting it in between all of this, so that that ad can be perfectly placed on the website, guys. And you just want to simply copy and paste it again wherever you see fits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to put your code on your online website, especially Shopify. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button so we can get this video pushed out. I just gave you this free sauce, and all I ask for in return is a big like button, man, because without this video, you probably wouldn't know how to do this. And I probably have one of the quicker videos on explaining this on YouTube. So just go ahead and hit that like button to show me that you are thankful. And we will see you tomorrow, because this is Black Investors Group, where we post daily investment content. So without further ado, I'll see you tomorrow. Woo!